Hello students, our today's topic is substitution. What is the business scenario for substitution? The accounting manager wants to make the default values for reference field as foreign customer on foreign customer price. He also wants to make the default value for document header text as a special discount 20% on the foreign customer invoice. What do you mean by substitution? In substitution, the values entered into SAP systems are validated according to a prerequisite defined by the user. If the prerequisite is met, the system replaces the values entered with other values. It works in an empty field and replaces existing value in that field as per the substitution rule. Substitutions are not supported by the document parking feature. Substitutions can only be made with posting transaction after turning parked documents into accounting documents. For creating substitution in accounting document, we can use transaction code OBBH or bypass SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Business Transaction, Outgoing Invoices and Credit Memos, Make and Check Documents, substitution in accounting document. तो सैप में जाकर जाते हैं हम इस बात पे। SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Outgoing Invoice and Credit Memos, Make and Check Document Settings, Substitutions in Accounting Documents. Then click on New Entries, add your company code, call point for document header, and we will create substitution that is zref and header text. Then press double click on substitution, create again, yes. Now click on step and select here document header text and reference. Search it, reference. Okay, reference, and then click on continue button. How would you like to substitute field with constant value? Just click on continue. Again click on continue button. Now enter the name, that is default reference and document header text. Default header, default reference and document header text. Now click on prerequisite, then click on accounting document header, and now select currency. Control F, currency, just click. Okay, we want only currency. We'll search again. Currency. vacancy. So double click on it, then click on equal to button, and then click on constant. We will set the currency USD, then click on continue. Now double click on substitution and select document header text and reference. That is special discount, %20, and reference foreign customer. And now click on save button. Come back, come back, come back, again come back, press enter. Just we will enter here another, press enter, TRK1 N1. Press enter. Now delete this. Activation level 1, that is active. And now save. Click on create request and enter your description, that is substitution in accounting document. Then click on save button and continue button.